been working hard. I'm putting a lot of time in it, so.
The streets came alive at the inaugural Mkokoteni Derby, transformed Nairobi's iconic handcarts into racing machines in an event designed by Air Pocket to demonstrate its cutting-edge real-time race timing and instant payout technology.
Mwanzo mbali na kusema ni talanta, ila sana ni kurudishia watu shukran kwa sababu hii ni kazi wanaofanya asubuhi mpaka jioni. Na saizi kazi wanaofanya imegeuka pia ikawa kwa kimpango ni talanta, and they get rewarded for what they're doing. Also, it's good to hear that young men are busy doing good tech work that helps in monitoring and evaluating and rewarding, as you've mentioned.
This is an idea we came up with the Air Pocket cycling team, and we are really honored to see today for it to come to materialization. And the main objective of organizing this event was to test our race timing technology. So as you can see, we have some of our team members with the computers. So we envision a day where when sports